Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Today I'm going to be talking about PageNudge. It's a video bubble, or you can call it a floating video widget that helps you to engage your website visitors and convert them to a lead. So before I dive into PageNudge, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we go. So the thing about PageNudge, actually, they have been on a deal very quite some time right now. I think probably maybe even like half a year or so already. So we can check out their website and see how it looks like. I've actually also installed it onto I've already installed the widget itself, so and then we can take a look and see how it works. So this one right here, you can see this widget that's running, that is shaking. That's what it is. That is the video, and then there's a call to action button right here. Okay, so I have also added it into my retarget kit, and then it has this bubble right here, and there you go. Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Today I'm going to be talking about travel. So I uploaded a video in there. Okay, so you can see there are some statistics right now, some impressions, some plays, right? And then engagement will be when they click on the call to action button, right? So creating a nudge is very, very easy. So just like literally, on their website, when I was checking it out, they were saying that it just takes about 15 minutes. Honestly, it doesn't even take 15 minutes. It takes like 7 minutes maybe, or even less if you are fast enough. So what happens is you just put in a title, and then you can upload a video, or you could record one with your camera instantly. Okay, so and then you just put in the lens, the orientation. Is it a landscape? Is it portrait? Is it square? Right, you can set that up. And then what is your call to action type? All right, so they've got a few right here. You can have no call to action, you can have a reply, you can have a form, you can have a link, you can have a social link, you can have call me, you have Calendly, you have click to email. So that is quite a range for you to select from. If let's say you want, you can have link as well, and then it will be, you can put in the button text, the URL, and then how do you want the call to action button to display? Do you want to show it hover? That means, which is what I have right here, right? So when I hover across the video, then the button appears. Or do you want it to show throughout the video or at the end of the video, right? And then where do you want the widget to appear? I have it bottom right, you can have it bottom left if you like to, and then you can put in the landing page title and the landing page description. Okay, so this one, I'm going to show you an example, which is the one that I've already created, this one right here. Okay, I'm just going to click on edit. Okay, so what happens is that you could have a landing page like this, so you can actually send a video to someone, right? So you can actually send a video to someone right from PageNudge itself. Okay, right? And then that will be the landing page title and the description, which is this one right here. Okay, so there's not much you can customize right now. I believe you could probably change the logo somehow, but I gotta take a look at that in detail. And then what happens, you got to set up your domains first. Okay, and then once you have your domains, you can then select the domains that you want this nudge to appear, so that someone doesn't grab the code and start embedding it everywhere else. Okay, so that will give you some domain protection. So I've added these ones right here. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, let's look. Okay, I think it's under branding, right? So branding, Let me click on that. Okay, so what happens is that right now it is the PageNudge branding. You can change it to your own branding. You can put your logo. You can change the colors, the color theme, the button style, the bubble shape, all you can change all of them as well. So right now it is a circle looking one. You can change that to a square or rounded square if you want to, right? And then you can have no branding as well, right, if you want that. Okay, so that's where you set up the brandings. You can create multiple workspaces as well, so they do support multiple workspaces. Okay, and then you can have okay, and then you can pretty much all the nudges, you can have them here. Then you can take a look at the statistics. They can look at your contacts. So contacts is when you have a form, and then the information will be then stored right here. And you can have conversations. So let me take a look at conversations. It's probably one of this. So I think it's probably reply. So we could just change that and see how it looks like. So I'm gonna refresh right here. Okay, and
Hey,
now,
what up, this is
okay, so what happens, you can have a conversation right here.
FM is an online audio editor
So I'm just
with
gonna
a
put
transcription features, and
this in
the
here.
cool thing about Travel.fm
And
is
then
that you can edit.
so there's a message that goes out. So I guess I can open up my email and see what I get. Okay, so someone just sent a reply. So there you go. So this is more like a form. Of course, they could send me a audio clip. They can send me a video clip as well with PageNudge. Okay,
Audio
because
based
there are
on
and then I guess we can then look at conversations in here, right? So we can see the conversations in here. So it's not really conversation. Okay, it is a conversation. So but I guess it's through email, right? So what happens if I send this? I guess we will get a reply, right? So now I send another reply. So that's kind of how it works. Of course, the text one is, the text choice is a little weird because it doesn't work like a live chat, right? Although I do kind of see it as a live chat right here. So I guess they do need to improve on that. But otherwise, if it works as a video or audio clip, I think it works well. Okay. And I guess that is all I have to cover. Of course, you can add team members into PageNudge as well. But I guess pretty much that's all I have to share about PageNudge. I think the good thing about PageNudge is that I think the deal is very generous. You get multiple workspaces, multiple domains, blah blah blah. So you could easily, this is great for agencies to use this and sell this to your clients. So I think that's where the value of PageNudge is. There are other tools that do the same thing, such as I think Query. What else? Quick Page is one of them. I think Warm Welcome also does that. So there are a couple of tools that do this video bubble thing, but I think that PageNudge is the only one that is very great for it's. I think it's great for agencies to sell this as a service. Okay, so I guess that's all I have to share about PageNudge. I think overall it's a simple, easy to set up tool, and you can just pretty much charge your client a good amount for their for this tool itself, right? For this feature on their website. So, if you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about PageNudge in the comments below. And lastly, if you know anyone who could benefit from a video bubble tool, be sure to share this video with them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.